Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy a Hostinger domain. So first of all, you have to do is Google search buy Hostinger domain and click on the top search result. Make sure the results are not sponsored. So what you have to do is you will land on this page and you have to select find new domain. You can also generate domain using AI. So in today's video, I'm not going to use AI. I will manually input my domain name. For example, I want my domain name as Brands Reboot V2 and I will click on search. As you can see, I have brandsrebootv2.com, brandsreboot.com xyz and .online. You can select any domain of your choice, and you can also select multiple options like popular, business, international, education, and anything. For example, if you want the exact match, you can select make it yours. Click on it. A new page will open. From here, you have to select the period. For example, I will only select 1 year. I will get 37% off and I will get for this price. If you want multiple domains, for example, if you also want .io, .org, .online, .xyz, you can add them as well. If you have a coupon code, you can also select coupon code and apply your code over here and select continue. From here, you have to create your account. Once you have created your account, you have to enter your billing address. You have to enter your first name, your last name, your phone number, your country of residence, your complete residential address, your city, your region, province, and zip code, and click on continue, and you will be headed over towards the payment section. And then you have to give some payment information. For example, you can instantly pay with your card. If you live in another country, for example, these are all the banks: Alpha Wallet, EasyPasa, JazzCash, and Connect by HBL. But if you live in US, you will also get the other payment methods like PayPal or whichever payment method is popular in your country. Once you've entered your payment details, then you have successfully got your new domain from Hostinger. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.